Margaret. Margaret is another participant from our second run of the AI-driven digital marketing. How do you find the course, Margaret?
Okay, I found it really, really useful. First and foremost, I think for most of us, the AI is such a mysterious thing, But what was really useful about this course was that Jerome was able to break it down, like all these different tools that are available now. He kind of made them accessible. He brought us through each and every one of those tools.
Right.
So he packed them into the 2 days, and he opened it up. He brought us through all of them, made us aware of how we could use it and how we could transform our business and the marketing material we wanted to put out to our audience, and how this AI material could actually be used in very simple ways to transform our communication channels. And for people like me who are basically not technical people, not IT people, it was so useful to see how I could actually create a video in less than 20 minutes.
Nice.
With just a message using different types of AI tools. So I thought that was very practical, very hands-on, and he was also giving us very practical, very easy tips that we could use and leverage the different tools. It's not about just using one tool. It was about how we could use 2 or 3 tools at the same time, like ChatGPT and Lumen and your own videos. How you can put all of this together to create something that's really remarkable that you can use in your social media channels or any way you want to use it. I found that really, really useful and very, very practical.
Great.
Something you can take back home and put on your social media straight away.
Wonderful. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Thanks, Margaret.